Alright, so now that we have our own copy of the portfolio, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the different things that we can do in this. So if we'll scroll down, you see information here for student name. So in this case, we're going to put Sergeant Harrell again. And since I'm retired, we're going to go ahead and do that. And let's center this. So once we select that box, we can come up here to alignment, and we can actually set it to whichever alignment we want. So I need to do shift return there. So that looks good, centered. And then here you can type in a brief introduction about yourself, your academic goal, personal goal, and you can upload a picture. Now, when we look at the top, this is the home page. Now under 2020, 2021, we have our different classes. So here's your English Language Arts, Math, Social Studies, Science, and then any electives you might have. So to see the rest of those, you're going to click on this drop-down arrow, and it's going to show you all the different elective options. So because I teach JCC, we'll go to JCC. When I click on that, so we see JCC here, and then you're going to see these boxes. So this is a box for the cadets to put in the first 6 week goals, the second 6 week goals, the third 6 weeks goals, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And then they do weekly reflection assignments. So that would be an artifact, but this is where they would upload that. Now, to do that, if we wanted to upload something, I'm going to show you how to do that in a different field. Now, let's say that I wanted to add something to this, right? To add something to this, I come over here to these layouts. I kind of like to have a bar between them, like you have there. So I'm going to come here, so, select the box, and then I scroll down until I get to the divider. I click the divider, puts the divider in, and then let's say I want to put in a picture of something with information. So it's a single picture with information. I'm going to click this, and bam, it puts it in. Right? So that's how you would add stuff. Super easy. And then so you could go to each one of your classes. Like you go to ELA. ELA is going to have theirs. You know, and this is open for you to add into. Math. So here, this is a place to capture your map and your star results. Information for the first 6 weeks, second 6 weeks. Same for the third and fourth, fifth and sixth. And this is where you need to be really honest with yourself. The whole idea here is reflection. Looking at social studies. So in social studies, you've got information that you can fill in. And then science. And so science is also set up where you've got options to build it for yourself. Now under awards, if you got an award like a principal's award or AB honor roll, this is where you could put that in. You could take a picture of it, and you know, so like I could click this one, I could put the picture of the award here, what I got it for, or the title of the award, and then what I got it for here. So you have a number of different options available to you on that. And then more, you can look at any community service you've done. You could capture that here. Same thing with any kind of leadership position you held, or anything you did, like in the Junior Cadet Corps we have leadership positions like Commander of Cadet and class leader and squad leader. You know, so they could put in that information there. And then anything else that you've done extracurricularly. So this would be something outside of the normal school time. If you played league basketball or soccer or some other sport outside of the school, that could be considered an extracurricular activity, and you could put that in here, right? So you have lots of different options and lots of different ways to capture your material. Next, I'll show you how to add artifacts, and we'll talk about what an artifact is.